If you want to learn how to cross-stitch, then get the How to Cross-Stitch Volume 1. Here are the benefits of getting this guide. You can learn a new hobby. You can make yourself productive during your free time. You can enhance your creativity. You can earn money by selling your cross-stitch pieces. You can develop your skills in embroidery. You can express your artistic talent. You can exercise logical thinking by analyzing complicated patterns. You can create decorative pieces for your home. Cross-stitch can be a highly coveted gift. Cross-stitch also lets you enjoy your time alone by always keeping busy and excited to see the results of your project. Simplicity is what we aim for in this book. There are individuals who do not appreciate this form of crafting because they think it is too complicated and boring. In fact, it is the complete opposite, because you are a person who is always enthusiastic to create something beautiful and valuable in terms of effort. This book gives you basic details about cross-stitching, a brief history, a step-by-step guide, and a general overview of what to expect in accomplishing a cross-stitch project. You can also get useful tips that you can practice to be able to be efficient in completing the project. The book was made with utmost attention to details, integrated with a direct, to-the-point approach of instructional information to help get you there fast. As you go through the book, you will see how easy it is to learn cross-stitch, step by step. Click Buy Now to get it now.